Hello everyone and welcome to Friday's Celebration Assembly. I hope everyone had a lovely week. It has been a week of creativity, hasn't it? It has. And I've seen lots of children be very creative over this week. We saw Leeds class creating rainbows. We saw Cardiff class and Edinburgh class. They have been doing a Stone Age day out in our nature area and creating some lovely leaf necklaces, and I even saw some leaf crowns. They were gorgeous. And we've seen children across the school starting to make Mother's Day gifts. Shh. All right, now it's time for us to talk about who has received our awards for this week. Are you ready? Yes, you ready? Okay, are we ready? Okay, here we go. Now, first we have the Going for Gold Awards. In Leeds class, we have Kellen for creating many things out of paper, and Ella for making numbers in different ways using objects. In York class, we have Damien for trying really hard and becoming independent in his self-care needs, and Troy for always making the right choices in the classroom. In whole class, we have Samuel for great work on teen numbers and tens and ones in maths, and Declan for working so well in maths this week and recognizing numbers beyond 10. In Nottingham class, we have Harrison for having a positive attitude and wanting to do his work. We also have Ruby for excellent map skills and drawing a map of the Key Stage 1 playground. In Liverpool class, we have Blake for super knowledge on maps and the world we live in, and Grace for great improvement in her handwriting. In Cardiff class, we have Helena for working incredibly hard in maths lessons. Also, Oliver for offering interesting ideas in English lessons. In Edinburgh class, we have Leighton for hard work during the flint knapping with soap. And Zach for the same thing, hard work during the flint knapping with soap. In Cambridge class, we have Gia for excellent maths and Tilly for her perseverance in English. In London class, we have Warren for showing an excellent attitude in his work. In Oxford class, we have Jessica for working hard in all of the lessons. In Lincoln class, we have Benji for calmly completing work in each lesson and interventions each day. And in Chester class, we have James for showing resilience and independence in maths. Well done to those children. Let's give them a big clap. Well done. Really proud of all of you. Keep it up. Now we have our Year of Being Healthy Awards. First, in Leeds class, we have Sophie for being creative with the paints, and Isla for eating the food in her packed lunch. In York class, we have Connor for always having a positive attitude and a smile, and Flynn for being able to color mix the paints to paint a pig. In whole class, we have Evelyn for trying different foods each day from our school lunch menu, and Mia for enjoying having a good laugh when she listened to a story called Oi, Dog. In Nottingham class, we have all of Nottingham class, oh wow, for their excellent work in PE this week and working together. In Liverpool class, we have Harrison for super dodgeball skills and Andy for the same thing, super dodgeball skills. In Cardiff class, we have Scarlett for persevering when trying to light her piece of cotton wool with the flint and steel, and Rome for persevering when trying to light his piece of wool with a flint and steel. In Edinburgh class, it's the whole class. Well done. And it is for that persevering and trying to light their cotton wool with the flint and steel during their Stone Age day. In Cambridge class, we have Casper for trying new foods and Nicola for having a positive attitude. In London class, we have Riley for good sportsmanship skills in PE this week, and Holly for demonstrating excellent football skills in PE. In Lincoln class, we have Louie for creating some fantastic models with the magnetic polydrome. In Oxford class, it's all of Oxford class because they have been working so very hard and learning and preparing for their end of year's test. I'm really proud of all of you. In Chester class, we have Ethan for using words to describe his emotions. Well done, children. I am so proud of all of you and how hard you've been working to make sure that you have a healthy mind and a healthy body. Let's give them all a big clap. Well done. Well done to all of you. I'm really proud of you. I really think that you are working hard and you're persevering, believing, and then you're achieving success. You need to keep it up. I want you to have a good weekend, and I look forward to seeing all of you next week. Bye. Want to come, Betty? Tell them bye. Tell them bye. Oh, bye. Bye.